How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Cardano update. I'm Lude Crypto and I hope you're all well, having a great start to this new week. We actually started to see signs of reversals. So even though on Friday we spoke about a new lower low forming, and you can see that with the new daily candle close underneath there, this means that Cardano wants to continue in the bearish direction towards this head and shoulders target, which is sitting at 55 cents. Now, technically speaking, this target can get invalidated, and that is if we start to see a reversal from this key level of support. So what I will do is show you this key level of support right over here through this box, because it's an area, and a reversal has to come from this area. It needs to break past the moving averages. This would validate a bullish double bottom pattern. So this is the first steps in invalidating the bearish target. If the remainder of this week, so the plan for the remainder of this week is for Cardano to head back to this range high and for it to recover this key level. By doing so, there's going to be a new expected target much higher above all the moving averages. This would be the measured target for the double bottom, and you can clearly see that on the break of the neckline, we're going to see the recovery of all the moving averages. So by doing that, we're going to see this bearish head and shoulders pattern invalidated, as the neckline is roughly the 200 EMA. That's been tailing off with the dump, but beforehand this 200 EMA was lining up very nicely with the neckline here, and this then puts it back on the bullish path so long as these highs can be taken out. So we want to see, with this double bottom that is now forming, the recovery of 73 cents. By doing so, it's going to validate the target at 85 cents. This then recovers the neckline of the bearish pattern, which invalidates the 55 cent target. And then we can potentially still see this macro inverse head and shoulders play out, even with what has already happened over the past 2 weeks, invalidating that bullish pattern, then validating this 55 cent target. It can still go back on that bullish path, so long as this double bottom now plays out. Then I would need to see 92 cent broken, and we would then target just sub $2 for Cardano. That is it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you wanted to learn my strategy, use the links down below. Take action on this 30% discount while it lasts until Friday the 7th of November. This can be applied to my Discord, ebook, or one-to-one mentorship plans. So check them out, and I'll see you over there.